Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Unocoin. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your default browser in your default search engine. Then search Unocoin login. Then go to the first result that shows up. From there, go to login from the top right corner. Then press register now on the bottom. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your mobile number. Then create a password with minimum 8 characters with a combination of capital letter, small letter, and numbers and special characters. Then you can recheck your password by clicking to this eye icon. If you have a coupon code, you can enter your coupon code. Or if you have a referral code, you can write down your referral code. Click to I agree to terms and conditions. Then click I'm not a robot. Once you have done this, then you should be able to sign up. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.